Excuse my interruption. We want to confirm that these are live pictures right now as we've been going between pictures that just happened. This is a live look at Tel Aviv, Israel right now. You hear the sirens sounding. Our colleagues Richard Engel and Matt Bradley are there, as well as the Israelis. Our camera panning to the sky. The Israelis try to fend off incoming strikes from the Iranian regime right now in response to the U.S. and Israeli strikes earlier this morning. All of this happening in a rapid succession. The strikes by the U.S. and Israel happening within the last 6 to 7 hours. Now the sirens beginning to wane a bit. We have seen plumes of smoke throughout parts of that country over the course of this day. The Israelis not reporting any casualties that we are aware of yet. Here we have a better understanding of the circumstances because we have access, we have cameras there. In Iran, a different circumstance. There is a near total internet blackout. Only about 4% of that country with access to communication means to share what they are experiencing and seeing on the ground there. Again, as we look at these live pictures, though, we just want to keep you up to date. Our team's in a safe place, having covered conflict in that area before. Those sirens give you about 60 to 90 seconds, sometimes less, to get to a safe location. Oftentimes, in their effort to share pictures with audiences here at home, our camera teams and our crews there use only the protection of some of those walls there to be able to capture the images. But as we look at the pictures, we have not seen any explosion take place.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.